Poems by Mohammad Iqbal. The birds complained. I am constantly reminded of the bygone times. Those garden springs, those chorus of chimes. Gone are the freedoms of our own nests, where we could come and go at our own pleasure. My heart aches the moment I think of the bud's smile as the dew steers. That beautiful figure, that communist form, which source of happiness in my nested form. I do not hear those lovely sounds in my cage now. May it happen that my freedom be in my own hands now. How unfortunate I am, tantalized for my abode I am. My companions are in the homeland, in the prison I am. Spring has arrived, the flower buds are laughing. On my misfortune in this dark house I am wailing. Oh God, to whom should I relate my tale of woe? I fear lest I die in this cage with this woe. Since separation from the garden, the condition of my heart is such. My heart is waxing the grief, my grief is waxing the heart. Listeners, considering this music, do not be happy. This call is the wailing of my wounded heart. The one who confined me, make me free. A silent prisoner I am, earn my blessings free.
Hani benim sevincim nerede? Bilyelerim topacım. Kiraz ağacında yırtılan gömleğim. Çaldılar çocukluğumu habersiz. Penceresiz kaldım anne, penceresiz kaldım anne. Uçurtmam tel örgülere takıldı. Hani benim gençliğim anne.